You can easily make sure that your accounts connected to Tiller are staying up to date by visiting the Tiller console at my.tiller.com. Here on the accounts page, you'll see which accounts you have connected to Tiller, as well as how long ago they recently refreshed. For any accounts that haven't recently refreshed, if they're connected via Yodlee, you can refresh them using the refresh button. If they're connected via Plaid, you can use the refresh accounts button at the top to refresh all eligible accounts. Once you finish refreshing an account, you should see the data fill automatically into your Google Sheets where the account is linked. So that Barclay card, for example, I can see from Yodlee is linked to the family budget sheet. So if I go ahead and open up that family budget Google Sheet, then I can see here on the balances that the Barclay card updated just now today. For Microsoft Excel, we can go ahead and open the Excel workbook, and then we'll need to launch the Tiller Money Feeds add-in sidebar here from the data ribbon, and then click the Fill Available Updates button to fill the latest data in.